Hey guys, it's Mike from Nurajack here. Today we're going to build a level entry deck going over concrete using Nurajacks. And we're going to build this deck in a day. Let's get into it. For this project, we're going over two different substrates. We're going over concrete and we're going over dirt. Where we go over the concrete, we're going to put the Nurajack straight on the concrete and build off that. Where we go over dirt, we're going to put a Nuraspike in the ground, put the Nurajack on top of the Nuraspike and build off that. We hate digging. That's why we've developed the Nuraspike. It's designed to be driven in over grass or dirt, and that is your deck foundation. So now we've established our bearer line. We've come parallel off the house, we've put it in level using the Nurajacks. Now we can screw the jacks to the bearer and then lay our joists. So now we've got the two ends of our bearer level, we simply come through the centre afterwards, screw the jack to the joist and then just wind it down. We've run our line of Nurajacks along the house, we get them level and straight and run all our joists out. And then we simply come through afterwards, place our Nurajack underneath the joist and then wind it down until it hits the substrate. Because of the self-leveling head of the Nurajack, the base of the jack will follow the fall of the concrete while that head stays level. Everything else will stay level on top. Now that all our Nurajacks are down, our joists are in, we can start laying some decking. So there it is, how to build a deck in a day.